another video. I'm currently getting ready to go out and do some grocery shopping. I made a list of the things that I need to buy, which I thought there would be a lot, but it's not a lot, which is good. So I'm gonna go to the grocery store and get those things real quick. When I first came to the city, I was surprised on how when you go out and do groceries, they don't put the stuff in the bag. Like, you have to bring your own bags. Okay, this is the biggest one that I have. I actually have a bunch of them because I've been collecting them. We are done. Let's go. I am tired. Anyways, it's right there. I'm gonna put it away, and after that I'm gonna make my dinner for the day. Where do we go? Could be simple. Let yourself feel. Actions speak louder. Words cast a spell. Will I choose ego? Will I choose love? My thoughts are water. Hi guys, good day. I have eczema on my neck. I think you can even see the discoloration. And this side too. Probably don't see it well, but it comes and goes because eczema is just a chronic disease that don't go away. So honestly, you're gonna be living with it for the rest of your life. But it actually came a little bit too much this time around, and I do have a medication here, this steroid medication, but I don't want to use it a lot because if you use it a lot every day, you're gonna thin out your skin. I don't want my skin to thin out. I use it only at night, and I've been applying Vaseline, which I'm out. I have to buy a new one on my neck every hour because it keeps on getting dry. We are told to relocate, and guys, how many times have I been relocated since I came here? A lot. I relocated to that place, I relocated back here, now I have to relocate it from here to another place. Like, we were told that our building was marked down for summer construction, so we have to relocate to a new place. We went and checked it out yesterday. It's honestly not that bad. Everything is inverted though. Here is so much better and so much cuter and a lot of natural light, unlike that place, which I'll go and show you guys tomorrow. Okay. This is the kitchen. Okay, there is light, but not that bad. Okay, our pantry is really tiny. Looks too small. Okay. And this is my room. Let's see here. I think here looks bigger than the room that I was given to, and there's not much space to move things around, so I just kept how the things are just as it is, because honestly it looks perfectly fine. I am really not that picky. My other two their rooms looks really cute. My room will look minimalistically cute. I'm gonna take my beddings off and go wash them. After that, I will start putting my clothes together and all the other stuff. Put away all my food, which is so good. Right now I'm gonna go and dry my bedding and also my clothes, then start packing myself. Like, oh my god, I'm not done, but it looks really pretty. Guys, I just realized that today's date is 6/7. Get it? 6/7. Anyways, done with my room setup and everything, but I'm back here because I have a few more things that I have to take from here to my room. And I bought this thing right here which holds my headphones. I think if I take it off I cannot put it back on again because it's gonna lose its stickiness. That is not the only thing. I have this key hanger. Let's take it off. Oh my gosh, look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh. This is bad. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I also do have these. I think I might need to buy a new one for my new place. Wow, it's like stick to that thing. Oh my gosh. This part, I think will be easy. Okay.